Hey guys, Chef Jason, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn your grill into a griddle. That's right, now you get two cooking tools, really with the footprint of one. So one day it's a grill, and the next day it's a griddle, and then it goes back to a grill. Yeah, let's talk about how we make it happen. All right, now before we get started, let's talk a little bit about which grills Weber manufacturers are compatible, whether or not you're going to add, let's say, the Weber crafted frame kit and the griddle top, or maybe you're thinking the full-size griddle insert is for you. So any grill manufactured 2016 and newer, as of today's video, that grill is going to work with the Weber crafted frame kit or the full-size griddle insert. So that means my Spirit 3-burner, that'll work, 2016 and newer. The Weber Genesis 3-burner, 2016 and newer, fully compatible. The Weber Genesis 4-burner, that's compatible. The Weber Summit, that's compatible as well. So a lot of compatibility, allowing you to make your grill a griddle and then back into a grill. Let's dig in and show you how we swap them out, how we add the components in, and how they work. Here we are at today's demo grill, and this is the Weber SAE 330. So this is gonna be that Weber Genesis 3-burner. Now, first thing you're gonna wanna do on any grill that you're going to add a griddle insert into is remove your grill grates. So we'll go ahead and do that first, and then we'll take the first step into showing you how to add a full-size griddle insert. So step number one, grates come out. You're gonna wanna leave those flavorizer bars in because those are gonna help ensure you get even edge-to-edge heat. So step two, flavorizer bars, stay right where they are. Now, step number three, you're gonna wanna make sure that you have a fresh, clean drip pan because the grease management system in the grills is the same for the grease management when you add a griddle. So make sure that's empty, giving you a lot of room for any griddle adventures. Next step, number four, time to add in that full-size griddle insert. So carefully adding that just like so. Now pay attention because the vent holes need to be in the front and the opening, which we'll show you here in a second, needs to go into the back. But now you've just turned your grill into a griddle. Then you can see that large opening in the back. We want that opening in the back because this is now where we're gonna push any of our liquids or grease right into the back, where it flows down through your grill, across those flavorizer bars, and into the grease pan that we showed you earlier. The nice thing is it's gonna act the same as if it was your grill, but it's not, it's your griddle. Very important to remember that anytime you are actively griddling, your grill should be open. It builds up a lot of heat, so you wanna make sure that your grill is always open anytime you are griddling. Okay, now as we get ready to set our grill up to become a Weber crafted griddle, first step is remove the large grill grate and leave the small grill grate in. Step number two, we are going to go ahead and leave the flavorizer bars in, and that's gonna be on any grill that you're adding the Weber crafted frame kit to. Those flavorizer bars are crucial on the grills to help with that even edge-to-edge heat distribution. The next step, or step number three, we're gonna go ahead and add the Weber crafted frame kit and the adapter bar for your specific size grill. Now, before we add our griddle in, we wanna make sure that we have a fresh drip pan because guess what? This is going to act the same way with the grease and management system, whether it's a grill or a griddle. So change that out, make sure it's fresh and ready to go. Okay, next step, we're gonna go ahead and add in the Weber crafted griddle insert just like that, making sure that we keep the drain hole in the front because this will make sure that it runs the same with the grease management system as it is a grill or a griddle. So we're set to go. Now, one thing you're gonna notice on this griddle is this is Weber's new griddle technology called Ready Not Rusty. It's kind of that pre-seasoned, out-of-the-box, ready to go. So I was nervous about this as well, right? And I can understand that you are, but I have cooked on these out of the box and they work absolutely amazing. But guess what? It's also gonna work good too if you wanna give it a couple layers of seasoning because that's what you're used to and that's how you like working on griddles. So either way, it is going to work perfectly. Now, let's talk about how we control heat on the griddles. Okay, when it comes to temperature control for the griddles, and that's a full insert or the Weber Crafted, I'm gonna use the primary burners as my heat control. And as you can see here, the griddle comes right to this side. So those two primary burners are gonna do a really nice job controlling the heat and giving me what I need. But if you have a sear zone on your grill, I only use this when I'm really searing a steak or blackening fish or shrimp or something like that. Normally, on all the grills, the two primary burners, or however many burners are right under your griddle, will be used to control your heat. So now when you're done griddling, make sure you turn your grill off. That's right, make sure the grill is off 100%, and then make sure that this is completely cooled before you get in and clean it. And as you can see here, this is clean, ready to go, and I've added a light coating of oil to protect it in between cook cycles. Now, I can store this in my griddle if I want to, in between cooks, or I can always take it out and store it somewhere where it's protected from the elements in between cooks as well. Super helpful. Well, and there you have it, a great way to now get two cooking tools in one, right? Because your gas grill just became even more helpful than you ever thought possible. Now, speaking of helpful, if you're looking for some more videos and information on that full-size griddle insert, stay tuned because I made a video for that, and that video coming up next.